Your face looks so ugly. That's why I'm frowning. Like, yeah. Like, oh, you want to talk. Look at your no hairline having self. Like, you be wishing that even the barbershop can't save you from that. Huh? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry too. Let's be friends. We could do that. Yep. Okay. So where should we go? Uh, ice cream. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go, my dude. Yeah. Like, look at this. Like, I'm gonna walk up to you. Like, sucker, I'm getting out of here. Like, get me out of this. Dip. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I can't even come back. Like, yo, I'm stuck. Bye. Wait, but you didn't give me any ice cream.